That we do is called No Mo, the Magic Song. This is our song. We hope you like it, but it's our song. Sadness, sadness, gotta go, gotta go. Gotta go right now tonight for you guys. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. than the world, older than the blood. I've known rivers, I've known rivers, all through Africa and North America, South America and Australia. I've known rivers, I've known rivers. I've known rivers in the north and the south. I've known rivers in the east and the west. I've known rivers all over this world. I've sailed some and seen rivers. I've known rivers. I've known rivers, ancient dusty rivers, and my soul has grown deep. Like the rivers, the rivers, the rivers, like and everything that ever was a song of loving kindness. Written for everyone, was written for Paul Bollenbeck on the guitar. Song of loving kindness, written for every one of you, everyone you've ever seen, ever heard of, everyone you didn't know. It was written for everybody. It was written for Theo Croker on the trumpet. Everyone and everything that ever was a song of loving kindness was written for everyone and everything that ever was a song of loving kindness was written for Joe Block on the piano. Joe Block. Everything that ever was, everything that ever was, written for everything, written for Marcos Varello on the bass. Song of loving kindness, song of loving kindness, song of loving kindness. It's written. Everything you I saw Luther Vandross do that one time. Song of loving kindness, written for Casa Overall on the drums. Song of loving kindness, written for everyone, everyone. We thank you so much. You notice we didn't stop in between songs. So only the professionals knew where to applaud, but a lot of y'all out there, because this is New York City. Well, we thank you so much. I love coming here. This is my favorite festival. I love all you guys. Thank you.
Charles Morella, Joe Block, and the incredible, the one and only Gary Bartz. Gary Bartz and NTU Troop.
Let's not worry about tomorrow while we got each other here.